everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1974 Ford Bronco. Awesome truck, guys. I actually bought the truck locally. A gentleman actually bought this car 5 years ago out of Florida as a gift for his fiance. Super cool truck, man. It's finished in Go Man Go orange. It's got all new black vinyl seats. You can see it's got a roll cage added to it. Super cool. 4-inch lift. It's got Mickey Thompson Bajas all the way around it with 15-inch Mickey Thompson wheels. Pretty paint. Sits good. Drives really good, guys. If you've driven any of these Broncos, when they're even when they're not lifted, they don't drive the best. They're kind of tanks. This has got the upgraded power steering unit on it, so it actually drives really good. 4x4. You said it just went through the transfer case and everything, so the 4x4 should work very well. But good looking truck, man. It's got a little hood scoop. See a couple little touch-up marks. We didn't have any touch-up paint for it. I'm going to try to order some. But neat truck, really neat truck. You can see they replaced the bumpers. I've also ordered a prop rod for it. I've also ordered a Rampage Bikini top for the truck as well. It's got the black fender flares on it. All steel truck. They have removed the door handles. Got the little touch-up spots on it. But really, really cool truck, man. And of course, these things are just hot as can be. Actually, a buddy of mine, when I was looking at this, I called him and said he just sold a project Bronco for 25 grand. I love the color combo. Truck really sticks out. Again, the wheels and tires look good. Nice and clean underneath. Really cool truck. Cool set of Mickey Thompson aluminum wheels. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got front disc brakes. Of course, you can see the lift and the springs. Oh, there it is. Again, we've ordered a prop rod for it, so we'll make sure that gets installed. 351 Windsor Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake. You see it's got the coated headers on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes, and again, it's got the upgraded Redhead gearbox in it. It's got a cool set of Bronco valve covers on it. New 4-core aluminum radiator. It's got a flex fan on it. MSD Pro Billet distributor with a blaster coil. You can just kind of set it for there and we'll have that open it. Really cool truck, man. See a little crack there in your paint. Doors are, I mean, paint on this truck is pretty. Rubber piece come off there. Well, I can see some. Not real sure what these are. They're definitely an aftermarket seat. They're nice. They're comfortable. It's got the rear as well. It's got a billet Steering wheel, the Ford logo on it. Factory dash, 55,863 on the odometer. I'm assuming that's original. Aftermarket AM/FM radio. Original VIN number still on your glove box door there. Again, it's got a roll bar in it. Again, you see a little mark there. Oh, I didn't show you the jams. I don't think I showed you the jams, guys. Sorry. It does have seat belts in it. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust, Ford 9-inch single. It's got a single tank. Ford 9-inch rear with it's a 373 limited slip gear. You see how clean this thing is. Aftermarket speakers. Super cool truck, man. And like I say, these are hard for me to get, man. I remember, gosh, it seems like 4 years ago I was buying these things when they first took off, and man, of course now they're introducing the new Bronco, so everybody wants an old one. Look how nice that thing is underneath. Super cool truck, man. And like I say, man, very impressed by the way it drove. Sorry, there's a little dust in there, guys. I had another one here short. There's actually like a, I don't even call it, hammer coat on it. And this, it didn't drive nearly as nice as this one. Had another blue one not too long ago. Same thing. This one drives. This is about the best driving one I think I've ever had. Go ahead, you can lift that. Go ahead and start it, Nathan. Let's go ahead and lift that. Yeah, go ahead and lift the hood out just so I can film it running. Sorry, let me come. Sorry. The thing runs outstanding. Go ahead and shut it. Gonna make your debut, Ed. Better comb that hair. Really cool truck, man. Fuel gauge works, oil pressure works, your altimeter works. We're gonna have to check the temp gauge. He said that was the only thing that kind of, and he said it did work, but you know, it's probably just a sending unit or something. It could just be a connection too. Put it in reverse, Nathan. Go on your reverse lights. Really cool truck. Radio works. I don't know about the blower motor. I'm not even sure if there is a blower motor in there. Doors open and close nice. No wipers. There's no wipers on it at all. Same thing on this side. There's a little flex crack in your windshield there. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is to our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these new videos, guys. And you can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That thing is super, super cool, man. Yeah. People pulled out in front of them. Have a great day, guys.